Good morning, students. In continuation of IUPAC nomenclature, okay, we'll see the IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkanes, derivatives of cycloalkanes, and derivatives of benzene. Okay, derivatives of benzene. That means derivatives means compounds of benzene. We'll see in continuation IUPAC nomenclature of those. Okay, here first let's start with the cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes, cyclic molecules. All these are the cyclic molecules. Okay, cyclic molecules always cyclo is the infix. Cyclo, it is a infix. Always here carbon molecules are arranged in cyclic manner, so we mentioned cyclo as a infix. Okay, here I am taking some molecules. Okay, structure, okay, common name and IUPAC name. Here I am directly taking IUPAC name. Need not to write common name here. Okay, let us see. Okay, this is the molecule. This is the structure. Okay. This is the one carbon, this is the one carbon, this is the one carbon, bond-like structure. Or this may be written like this: CH2, 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 CH2. This structure we call as condensed structure. This we call as condensed structure. Triangle I wrote now. This triangle we call as condensed structure. We call as condensed structure. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule? How many carbons are there? 3 carbon atoms. All 3 carbon atoms present in a cyclic manner. So you mention cyclo. 3 carbons are present now. Propane. Cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Here I am writing CH2, CH2. CH2, CH2, 4 carbon atoms. Here I am writing square. Square is the condensed structure. Here triangle is the condensed structure. Okay, the IUPAC name of this molecule is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. Here I am writing one more. CH2. CH2, CH2. Okay, here pentagon. This we call as cyclopentane. Okay, here CH2, 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 6 carbon atoms are present in cyclic manner. Okay, here I am writing hexagon. The IUPAC name of this molecule is cyclohexane. The IUPAC name of that molecule is cyclohexane. These are the simple molecules. Okay, these are the simple molecules. Okay, I took like this. Okay, if substance is present. Okay, if substance is present, it means chlorine is there. What we call this one, the IUPAC name of this one? Common name is cyclopropyl chloride. Cyclopropyl chloride. Cyclopropyl chloride is common name. Cyclopropyl chloride is common name. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Okay, chlorine is substance. So write chloro first and write cyclo. Propane. Chlorocyclopropane. Chlorocyclopropane. Here also I am writing one more. Okay, for example, bromine is there. What is the name of this molecule? Cyclobutyl bromide. Cyclobutyl bromide. Yes, now. What is the IUPAC name? Bromo. This is IUPAC. Bromocyclobutane. Okay, next. Okay, here I am taking different. Here I am taking OH. What is the common name of this one? Cyclopentyl. Cyclopentyl. 5 carbon atoms are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cyclopentyl alcohol. Cyclopentyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this one is OH group is functional group. So what I write here? Cyclopentanol. Suppose for example, here amine is there. What is the common name of this amine? Cyclopentyl. You write any cyclopentyl, cyclohexyl, cyclobutyl, any. Amine is there means amine. Common name of this one is cyclopentyl amine. What is the IUPAC name? First write amine also functional group. Cyclopentanamine. Cyclopentanamine. Okay, here you take this one. Okay, you take this one. Okay, here 7 carbon atoms are there. We don't write cyclohexanol. We don't write the cyclohexanol. The IUPAC name of this molecule is, the common name is cyclohexylaldehyde. Cyclohexylaldehyde. IUPAC name also same. Cyclohexanaldehyde. Cyclohexanaldehyde is the IUPAC name. What is the common name? This is the IUPAC. Common name cyclohexylaldehyde. N is there, the root word is there means, primary suffix there means IUPAC. Primary suffix not there means is a what? Common. Okay, here COOH functional group is here. COOH functional group is here. How we write? Same like cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Common name of this one I is there means common. Cyclohexyl. 6 carbons are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. IUPAC name of this one cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Okay, for example, like this. How many carbons are there? 6 carbon atoms, including C double bond. 6 carbon atoms are there. Okay, here all carbon atoms are present in cyclic manner. So write cyclohex. Okay, and ane and one. Cyclohexanone. The IUPAC name of this molecule is cyclohexanone. You write any one like any methyl groups are present. You write substance, all those mention like this. Okay, suppose for example, here we have one more molecule. Here methyl group is there. Here methyl group is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CO group, C double bond group is functional group. So I started numbering with C double bond group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, second position, 2 methyl groups are there. These are substance. Okay, these are the methyl groups now. Yesterday I said a bond line structure of methyl like this mentioned. Okay, 2 comma 2 dimethyl, 2 comma 2 dimethyl. How many carbons are there? 6 carbon atoms. Cyclohex, and here ane one. 2 comma 2 dimethyl cyclohexanone. Hexanone. Okay, this is about the IUPAC nomenclature of different IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes means you mention ene only. Okay, instead of ane you mention ene. Okay, we'll see in continuation some examples. Cycloalkanes and cycloalkynes. Okay, in continuation, cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes. Okay, one or two examples I will take. Okay, here, this is what we call this. All carbon atoms are arranged in a cyclic manner. So cyclo, and here butane, cyclobutene. Okay, cyclobutene. Suppose for example, 2 double bonds are present. Give the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we will number start with only double bond. So I will always it should be 1 cyclobutene. So I will give 1. Here I gave here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because we have 2 double bonds. So you should mention the positions of double bond. That's why I gave numbers. And here, what is the name of this molecule? Here, cyclo. Okay, but. Okay, which but? Okay, first position double bond is there, third position is there. 1, 3. But. Okay, diene. 1, 3. Butadiene. Butadiene or butadiene. Okay. This is also one of the molecule. This we call. Okay, 1 double bond is there means we need not to do the number. Right, direct cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. If triple bond is there, what do we write? Triple bond is there, we write cyclohexyne. Cyclohexyne. Okay, here 2 double bonds are present. 2 double bonds are present means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First position, third position, double bond is there. So 1, 3. Okay, 1, 3. What we call cyclohexa. How many double bonds are there? 2 double bonds are there. So 1, 3 cyclohexadiene. 1, 3 cyclohexadiene. Okay, here this is the common name of this is the one of the known compound benzene. The common name of this molecule is benzene. Okay, right here number. Start with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, at first position double bond is there, third position double bond is there, and fifth position double bond is there. How many double bonds are there? 3 double bonds. 1, 3, 5. Cyclo. Okay, here how many carbons present here? Hexa, and 3 triple bonds are there. 3 double bonds are there. Triene. The IUPAC name of benzene is 1, 3, 5 cyclohexatriene. Cyclohexatriene. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of simple alkenes. Simple cycloalkane. Suppose for example, okay, here I am taking one or two more. Okay, Cl is there here. OH is there. CHO is there. NH2 is there. C double bond. These are the different functional group, different molecules. Okay, we'll take one more. Cyclohexene here. Here OH is there. Here, for example, double bond. Okay, double bond. To take different molecules. Okay, number of millions of organic molecules are there now. So use like this only. We'll write like this only. Okay, see the IUPAC nomenclature of this one. Okay, this is the substrate. So give the numbering from this side. Okay, give the numbering from start with this side. 1, 2, 3. While if you give numbering from this side, this get the 6th position. Okay, that is more number. If you give number like this 1, 2, 3, it will get less number. So I started with 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, what is the name of this one? Which contain chlorine substrate. So write 3-chloro. Okay, then what? Cyclo 1-hexene. That means double bond is presented first carbon atom. Double bond is presented first carbon atom. Okay, here this is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1 is the functional group now. OH functional group 3, 4, 5. OH is the functional group. Okay, chlorine is the substrate. That's why I am giving numbering like this. Okay, we called cyclo. No prefixes now. Only functional group is there. Cyclohexenol. Cyclohexenol. Okay, when you are writing cyclohexenol here, you mention cyclohexenol. You mention like this. Okay, this is the complete IUPAC name of that one. Complete IUPAC name of that one. Cyclohexenol. That is the complete IUPAC name of that molecule. Okay, here cyclohexene aldehyde. Cyclohexene at which position? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohexene aldehyde. The IUPAC name of this molecule is cyclohexene aldehyde. Here cyclohexene group is there. Write cyclohexene. Which position? This is the functional group. This is the double bond. Functional group and double bond is there. You give the preference to functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amine also functional group. This is also functional group. So write cyclohexene. Which in at second position? Write 2-ene. Which functional group is present? Amine functional group. NH2 functional group is called amine. Enamine. Cyclohexene-2-enamine or 2-hexenamine we call. Okay, here only 6 carbon atoms are there. So write cyclo. Okay, how many carbons are there? 6. Write cyclohex. Give the number. This is the functional group. Keto functional group. Keto functional group. This is give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cyclohex. Okay, 2-ene. And here keto functional group is there. We use one. Okay, cyclohexenone. 1 ohm. Start with ketone also. Cyclohexene-2-enone. Okay, here give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the name of this molecule? Actually cyclohexanol. This is the more preferable group compared to the OH group. That's why I start numbering with C double bond group. Okay, all are present in cyclic manner. Write cyclo, and here write 6 carbon atoms are present X. Okay, double bond is present at. Okay, double bond is present at second position. 2 in. Right, 2 in 4 hydroxy. 4 hydroxy O. 4 hydroxy O. Okay, this is the some ambiguity is there. Complete right name like this. Cyclo. Okay, 2 X. Okay, before that I am writing 4 hydroxy cyclo. 4 hydroxy. 4 hydroxy 2 hex in 1. Otherwise you write one more type 4 hydroxy cyclo 2-hexene. Okay, 4 hydroxy cyclo 2-hexene. That is also right. This is also right. This is also right. But okay, just we are writing like for example, your name is writing like this. First your name, your father name, and your surname. But here word complete your name, but not in format. Okay, if you write cyclo, 4 hydroxy cyclo 2-hexanol means your name like that. Okay, this is the IUPAC nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkenes, and these are cycloalkanes also. Okay, in continuation we'll see the IUPAC nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature of benzene and its compounds, derivatives. Benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and its derivatives. Okay, just here I am taking some examples. Okay, before seeing the IUPAC nomenclature, here it is, I am writing benzene. This is the normal benzene. Okay, normal benzene, all positions are equal. Okay, here I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4 positions, 5, 6. Okay, if you start one here, same. If you start one here, same. If you start one here, same. That means normal benzene, all positions are equal. Suppose for example, if it is attached with the any substrate, then this we call monosubstituted benzene. This we call monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene. Okay, monosubstituted benzene, these 2,6 positions we called as ortho positions. 2,6 positions are called ortho positions. And here 3,5 positions we called meta positions. 3,5 what we call here? Meta. 3,5 positions we called meta positions. Meta positions. And 4th position we called para position. 4th position we called para position. Para position. What that? Okay, in normal benzene all numbers are, all positions are equal. All positions are equal. But here When monosubstituted benzene, that means when benzene attached with the one substance, we call as monosubstituted benzene. In monosubstituted benzene, okay, second position and sixth position called as ortho positions, and here third position and fifth position we call as meta positions, and here fourth position we call para position. We call as para position. This is the this is about the positions in benzene. Okay, positions in benzene. Okay, in continuation, we will see some more example for this one. Okay, here I am taking CH3, benzene with CH3. The common name of this molecule is toluene. The common name of this molecule is toluene. IUPAC name, how we write the IUPAC name? Benzene is permittable word in IUPAC. How we write IUPAC name? First we write substance. Which substance is there? Methyl. Methyl. And then write IUPAC name, this one. Methyl benzene. Methyl benzene is the IUPAC name. Okay, here I am taking NO2 is there. Chlorine is there. NO2, actually, here I am writing. Benzene formula C6H6. This is. When remove one hydrogen from C6H6, we will get C6H5. This we call as phenyl group. This is benzene. This is phenyl. Phenyl group written like this. That means here we have the one attachment. Okay, here this group we call as phenyl. Here also this group we call as phenyl. The common name of this molecule is phenyl nitrite. NO2 na? Phenyl nitrite. Here phenyl chlorine is there, so write chloride. These are the common names. IUPAC, all these are the substance, no functional group. All these are the substance, right here. NO2 group is nitro group. Okay, right? Nitro benzene. Here chlorobenzene. Nitrobenzene and chlorobenzene. Okay, in continuation we will see some more. Benzene with OH group. The common and IUPAC name of this molecule is phenol. Hydroxybenzene. Sometimes we call hydroxybenzene. Phenol. Both are permittable words. This is also called hydroxybenzene. Hydroxybenzene. Phenol or hydroxybenzene. Okay, here, for example, OH is there, here CH3 is there. OH, here CH3 is there. OH, here CH3 is there. Here OH, here Cl is there. OH, here Cl is there. Different molecules. Okay, millions of organic molecules are there. Just I will give the different examples. Okay, here the common name of this molecule is this methyl group is present at which position? Ortho position. So I called orthocresol. Common name of that molecule is orthocresol. What is the IUPAC name? Phenol also acceptable word. I said phenol also acceptable word in IUPAC. So at which position is there? Give the numbering. This is the functional group. That's why I will start here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. at second position or ortho position, second or ortho, both are same. Okay, which group is there? Methyl is there. Okay, so 2 are ortho methyl phenol. Methyl phenol. Yes, na? Finish. Next, here CH3 group is present at which position? This third position is called meta position. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third position methyl is there. Meta position we call metacresol. This is called 3 or meta methyl phenol. Then here paracresol. It's a position called paracresol. But 4 para-methyl phenol. You write the names of these molecules. Okay, write names of these molecules easy. Okay, in continuation, you'll see some more molecules tomorrow. Next video, I think maximum I'll finish IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, next video. Thank you.